Chronic traumatic encephalopathy, or CTE, is a neurodegenerative disease not unlike Alzheimer's disease, but with unique characteristics. It's defined by particular accumulation of the tau protein in the brain. It accumulates differently than in any other neurodegenerative disease. And we found that this neurodegenerative disease is almost exclusively found in those who have a history of exposure to repetitive head impacts. These head impacts might be from contact sports or military service or domestic or physical violence. The clinical syndrome for CTE is still being investigated, but from our experience, the clinical syndrome looks like impairment in thinking, in memory, and mood and behavior.